If you're looking to learn how to maintain your balance for more than 3 seconds, then stay tuned. Hi everyone, this is Cheryl Ale. I am founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I am here to teach the teachers and the dancers and to teach you to be the very best that you can be. This is, anyway, ballet for everybody. This is what we do. So come on now, let's get balanced. Exit stage right. What we're gonna do is, again, have to zip. You have to zip, right, Simone, right? Because if you don't, then your whole body is sitting back and it will play with the equilibrium and gravity will not be your friend. So let's zip, right, the first thing. And then we're gonna push down through the floor in our legs and up through our bodies, which is called a two-way energy. So pushing down through your legs and up through your body, you will elevate with your zippers. And we all stay balanced. Now, the girls will stay balanced at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, this is pretty easy. Now, let's see if they can shift their weight. Pick a balance, girls. Let's see what balance works best with all the principles in motion. Francesca has it. And beautiful Simone. Very nice, girls. This is what happens when you engage the principles of movement. If this is your first time to the channel, we would love to have you subscribe to more craziness and lessons. This channel is all about helping you to dance better, and your teachers and students. And again, hit the subscribe button and see ya next time.